I have the Logitech Hero gaming mouse. I bought this way too long ago, but today we're gonna unbox it and see what it does. So let's get started. Okay, let's see. Okay, got the mouse. Pretty typical stuff here. We got some instructions, some cords, just a USB port. All right, so let's plug it in. So when I first plugged it in, it immediately started working actually, and the just lit up, and it's actually already working. Nothing to download, which was really surprising. So that was super easy, short video. We'll see, we'll edit something though, and then see how I like it. So anyways, I was updating my resume, so I'm just gonna keep clicking around. So far, the mouse is pretty easy to use. It slides pretty quickly. It has like the sensor on the bottom, just like most modern mice. So the one thing I did was I had to quickly grab this type of thing because it was not flowing very nicely, but as soon as I did that, it worked out pretty well. So I'm just gonna keep messing around with this. I'm missing a font here. So it says that my font missing is Hero New Hairline, but I don't know why it's not downloading. So that's aggravating. So while I'm scrolling down this list, I noticed that the scroll wheel is super sensitive to touch, which can be really good when editing. I'm just gonna change it. So as I'm moving things around, the mouse is very sensitive. It's doing exactly what I want it to do with minimal error. So I really like that about it so far. I'm using InDesign to do this, by the way. Do you guys like InDesign? I kind of hate InDesign, to be honest with you, but I do like to edit my resumes in InDesign. Okay, let's open Illustrator. So this was from one of the most recent videos I did on shirt designs. I'm just gonna click around and see how this works. If you care to know how to make a shirt design, I can link that video in here. Okay, so I'm going to grab that anchor point and warp it just to see. Yeah, it's pretty sensitive, guys. If you don't know about anchor points are so important in Illustrator. I think I have a video on that. If I can find it, I'll link that one as well. Anchor points make all the difference in customization, and mouse control is also super important. I really like this mouse, and I did not get paid by Logitech. I literally bought this on Amazon, so this is not a promotion in any way, but I do like this mouse. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that was pretty neat. Really precise. Even when I zoomed in, it really didn't lag at all. Nothing wasn't waiting on anything. So yeah, having only used this mouse literally the time that I've been making this video, I'm pretty impressed with it. I give it a 10 out of 10. Looking at Amazon right now, it's about $46 for this mouse, which is a lot more than I paid for it. But like I said, I bought this mouse probably 6 months, a year ago, and just never unboxed it because I'm terrible. But highly recommend if you need a new mouse. I was tired of using this like dumb mouse that I had for so long for no reason. And then I just became lazy and never unboxed it. So here I am, open to new and better things. So hope you guys have a great day. I'll put the link in the video if you are interested in buying it.